Hey traders, I hope you're all doing well. Just want to give you a quick analysis on natural gas and gold today. But before I start my video, I just want to give you a very quick disclaimer. If you are trading based on my analysis on YouTube or the signals I sent on Telegram, please do that on your own risk. If you feel that my analysis are not according to your analysis, that's totally your choice. If you want to enter trades according to that or not, please make sure you read the disclaimer first. And one more thing, guys, if you are taking trades using my analysis and let's say your positions are running in profit, let's say if it's halfway in profit, you want to take your profit, you want to cut your profit before it hits your TP, that's totally your choice. If you want to do that, I cannot advise you to cut your positions in between your profit, or if the positions are running against you, if let's say if the positions are running in losses, and if you want me to advise you to cut your position before the stop loss hit, that again your choice. Only you can take your own decisions on that. If you want to cut your positions, that's totally your choice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know about your account balance and your risk management ratio and everything. So that's totally your choice. So with that being said, I'm going to start my analysis with natural gas first. But before that, if you remember, we took this trade yesterday. This was our first commodity signal in our VIP group. And fortunately, this was a winning trade. We took this entry. I sent a signal to my VIP members. Two ways of entering the market. One way was Fibonacci with the Fibonacci retracement, and the second way was without waiting for the 50% retracement. As you can see, the market from this zone hit our take profit, which was 1928, the second take profit without a Fibonacci retracement trade, and that has been hit. I'm glad that we took this first trade in our VIP group and that has been hit. And if you also want to join my VIP group where I will send this type of signal, then you can join one of my partner broker. Minimum deposit of $500, and once you do that, I'll add you in my priority list and I will send you this side of trade ideas only once we get an entry reason. It won't be a signal group where you get tons of signal. It won't be like that. It's totally educational group. I will tell you the entry reasons and I will tell you the stops and target with all the instructions. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas. First, here you can see we got this nice push down. As per my previous video, I was expecting a hit of 50 EMA. Let's see what I've said in my previous video. Looking at that, I'm expecting market to hit further down to 50 EMA at least to take long trades. So exactly we were expecting market to hit 50 EMA before we get an engulfing entry reason. Right here, I'm going to send the entry with stops and target to my VIP members shortly. We got a hit of 50 EMA, and according to the ATR, if you look at the ATR, it's a 10 ATR, and right that it's market can hit at least 5.463. That's on Owanda. If you look at capital.com, looking at this candle, if you look at the ATR, the same ATR is 10 ATR above and 10 ATR below right here, and the market is moving up. This was an entry candle. So if you want to take a trade, that's totally on your own risk. If you want to read a disclaimer, that's in the start. So I'm still expecting the market to move up, and once we have a hit of this take profit, I'll expect a further more pullbacks and take a long trades accordingly, and I will update you guys as well. The next level of resistance is right up there. I'm not taking any short trades until we hit below 50 EMA. We can still get a push down and get an entry reason from here as well, and we get something like a double bottom move. And let's check gold. So here you can see after the take profit hit, that's up to you if you want to manage your position by moving a stop loss to break even, or if you want to let it run, that's totally up to you. I'm still expecting market to hit at least 1935, and if we get a bearish candle from here, I will look for short trades. But if we break below 1935, I expect the market to hit 1944 and it goes up to 1951, from where I will look for short trades with an entry reason. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.